Germany is a country of rich history, modern cities, and stunning landscapes. In this video, discover 6 must-visit places, from vibrant capitals to peaceful forests and fairy tale towns. Let's explore the best of Germany together. Berlin, Germany's capital. Berlin is a city of history, creativity, and energy. From world-famous landmarks to hidden corners, Berlin offers something for every traveler. The Brandenburg Gate stands as a symbol of unity and peace. Nearby, the Reichstag building impresses with its grand architecture and glass dome. At the Berlin Wall Memorial and East Side Gallery, you can reflect on the city's divided past and admire powerful street art. Museum Island invites you to discover art and history, while the vibrant neighborhoods like Kreuzberg and Prenzlauer Berg are full of life, cafes, and culture. Whether you're exploring Berlin's history or enjoying its modern vibe, this is a city that will inspire and surprise you at every turn. Cologne. Cologne is a city where history meets a lively, modern spirit. Its most famous landmark is the stunning Cologne Cathedral, one of Europe's greatest Gothic buildings. Climb the cathedral's tower for breathtaking views over the city and the Rhine River. Stroll along the river promenade or cross the Hohenzollern Bridge, where thousands of love locks decorate the railings. Cologne's old town is filled with colorful houses, narrow streets, and traditional breweries where you can try Kolsch beer. With its friendly atmosphere, festivals, and rich history, Cologne is a city that welcomes every visitor with open arms. Hamburg. Hamburg is Germany's gateway to the world. A vibrant port city full of water, life, and culture. The heart of Hamburg is its harbor, one of the largest in Europe. Explore the modern Hafencity district, or take a boat tour through the canals and Elbe River. The historic Speicherstadt, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, charms with its red brick warehouse and bridges. Don't miss the Elbphilharmonie, an architectural masterpiece and concert hall with amazing views. Whether you love architecture, music, or just watching ships come and go, Hamburg offers a unique experience that blends tradition and innovation. Heidelberg. Heidelberg is one of Germany's most romantic cities, famous for its castle, old bridge, and lively university atmosphere. The ruins of Heidelberg Castle stand high above the city, offering panoramic views over the Neckar River and the red rooftops of the old town. Walk across the beautiful old bridge and enjoy the peaceful riverside scenery. In the heart of the old town, narrow streets and charming squares are filled with cafes, shops, and history. Heidelberg is a place where past and present meet, a city that invites you to slow down, explore, and enjoy its timeless beauty. The Black Forest. The Black Forest is a region of deep forests, peaceful villages, and natural beauty. This is the home of the cuckoo clock, traditional farmhouses, and legends of fairy tales. Hike through dense woods, or take the scenic Black Forest High Road for breathtaking views. Visit Freiburg to see Germany's highest waterfalls, or stop at a quiet lake like Titisee. The Black Forest is the perfect place to relax, explore nature, and discover a slower way of life that feels far from the busy cities. Frankfurt. Frankfurt is a dynamic city where old meets new. Known as Germany's financial capital, Frankfurt's skyline is filled with modern skyscrapers, but there's also plenty of history and charm. In the heart of the city, Romerberg Square is lined with beautiful half-timbered houses and historic buildings. The main tower offers incredible views over the city and the river. Walk along the main river promenade or visit one of Frankfurt's many museums in the Musufer district. Whether you're exploring its modern business side or its cultural treasures, Frankfurt is a city full of surprises. These 6 places are just the beginning of what you can discover in Germany. From modern skylines to medieval towns, from rivers to forests, this is a country full of wonders. Which place would you visit first? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Mallu in Deutschland for more beautiful journeys across Europe.